Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is the beauty of nature. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. In this presentation we will play with the image and the oval shape. First, we want to insert the image. We go to Insert ribbon, Picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We click the image and we drag it from the white dots to cover the entire slide. We notice that we have selected an image that we can easily divide into two horizontal parts. So we click the image, we go to Picture Format, we choose Remove Background, mark areas to keep, then click Mark areas to remove. Again click Mark areas to keep, we choose what we want to keep. And keep changes. Then right click Cut, right click Format Background. We go to Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, click Clipboard, close Format Background. Then we want to insert again the same image. We go to Insert, Picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We drag the white dots until it meets the borders of our slide. Now we want to go to Insert, Shapes. We choose Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 20 cm. It's about 7.87 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 18 cm. It's about 7.08 inches if you have inches in your settings. Right click, Format Shape. We go to Fill, Gradient Fill. We choose 4 gradient stops. We choose the first gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, second color with eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, third gradient stop, eyedropper. We choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area, and the last fourth gradient stop, color, eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area, line, no line. And we go to the third gradient stop and choose transparency 20%. We go to Text Effects, Shadow. We choose from presets the outer second column, second row, click, and we close Format Shape. Now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Font, Picture Font, size 40. Bold. We use color for the text, second row, second column, and we write our title. Nature's Harmony, the serene beauty of lake and mountain. Now we go to the Format Shape again, right click Format Shape from the oval shape, and we choose Direction from our colors, the fourth. Close Format Shape. Now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Font from Home ribbon, Picture Fonts, size 24, bold, color second column, second row, and we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. And now we want to copy another 2 times the oval shape. Right click copy, right click paste, right click copy, right click paste, and then right click send to back, right click send to back, and then right click in the image, send to back. And we put it in the desired position. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in animations and transition. We go to the transitions, we choose split, effect options, horizontal in. Then we go to the first oval shape, we choose animations fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. Then we go to the image, we choose from animations more emphasis effect, grow shrink, OK. Start after previews, effect options both larger, duration 2. Then we go to the second oval, we choose fly in, effect options from bottom, start with previews, duration 2. We choose the third oval, fly in, effect options from top, start with previews, duration 2. Then we go to the title, animations, float in, effect options float up as one object, start after previews, duration 1. We go at the presenter's name, animations float in, effect options float up as one object as it is, start after previews, duration 1. And then we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!